Mastering contract drafting. Essential techniques for legal agreements. Essential elements of effective contract drafting. Welcome to the chapter that will unlock the secrets to crafting effective and robust contracts. In this chapter, we will explore the essential elements that contribute to successful contract drafting. From using clear and concise language to addressing payment terms and considering dispute resolution, we will cover it all. So, let's delve into the key elements that make a contract truly shine. Clear and concise language, writing with precision. One of the fundamental principles of effective contract drafting is using clear and concise language. Contracts should be written in a manner that leaves no room for ambiguity or misinterpretation. When drafting a contract, precision is paramount. Using specific, well-defined terms and avoiding vague or overly complicated language ensures that the parties involved understand their rights and obligations clearly. Identifying parties and defining their roles. In any contract, it is essential to identify the parties involved and define their roles. Clearly state who the contracting parties are, their legal names, and any relevant details that establish their identities. Additionally, outline the roles and responsibilities of each party within the contract. This ensures that everyone understands their obligations and helps prevent confusion or disputes down the line. Specificity in terms and conditions. To create a strong and enforceable contract, specificity in terms and conditions is crucial. Clearly define the scope of the agreement, outlining the rights, duties, and obligations of each party. Specify the timeline for performance, the quantity or quality of goods or services to be provided, and any other pertinent details. Being specific leaves no room for misunderstanding or ambiguity, setting the foundation for a successful contractual relationship. Properly addressing payment terms and considerations. Payment terms are a critical aspect of any contract, and it is essential to address them properly. Clearly state the agreed-upon payment amount, due dates, and any specific payment conditions or milestones. Consider additional factors such as late payment penalties or installment options, if applicable. Properly addressing payment terms ensures that both parties are aware of their financial obligations and helps prevent potential disputes. Drafting effective dispute resolution clauses. Disputes can arise in any contractual relationship, and it is wise to draft effective dispute resolution clauses to address them. Include provisions that outline the agreed-upon process for resolving disputes, whether through negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or litigation. Specify the jurisdiction and applicable laws if necessary. A well-drafted dispute resolution clause promotes clarity and provides a roadmap for resolving conflicts in a fair and efficient manner. Remember, effective contract drafting goes beyond merely including these elements. It involves careful consideration of the specific needs and objectives of the parties involved, as well as compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Each contract is unique, and tailoring these elements to suit the specific circumstances is crucial. In this chapter, we have explored the essential elements of effective contract drafting, including writing with precision, identifying parties and defining their roles, specifying terms and conditions, addressing payment terms, and drafting dispute resolution clauses. By incorporating these elements into your contract drafting process, you can create contracts that are clear, comprehensive, and promote successful contractual relationships.